Hello, and thank you for attending today's presentation on Secure VMware Virtual Cloud with Hillstone micro-segmentation. These days, we are noticing how VMware has experienced so many change, and this change can face difficult for the partners and customers, especially if they want to secure their environment. On this webinar, we are going to introduce you about an alternative called CloudHive, the Hillstone micro-segmentation solution. So let's look at some stats. Today, we are diving into two critical forecasts that underscore the evolving landscape of cybersecurity, the risks associated with uncontrolled public cloud usage and the emergence of zero-trust architecture coupled with micro-segmentation. Firstly, let's address the risks associated with uncontrolled public cloud usage. According to projections, by the year 2025, a staggering 90% of organizations that fail to control their public cloud usage effectively will inadvertently expose sensitive data. These sobering statistics highlight the pressing need for robust governance and security measures in cloud environments. Looking ahead to 2026, we see a paradigm shift in cybersecurity strategies. With the widespread adoption of zero-trust architecture, studies suggest that approximately 60% of companies striving towards a zero-trust framework will deploy more than one form of micro-segmentation implementation by this time. This represents a significant leap from the mere 5% observed in 2024. We confront a harsh reality. Traditional perimeter security measures are no longer sufficient in the face of evolving cyber threats. As our digital landscape expands and shifts toward cloud-based deployment, the limitation of perimeter-centric security becomes glaringly apparent. One of the primary areas for improvement of traditional security approach lies in their inability to provide visibility into internal traffic and threats within cloud environments. Unlike the reliability contained nature of on-premise networks, cloud deployment operates within dynamic, distributed infrastructures, making monitoring and controlling internal communication challenging. Moreover, east-west workload lack of security measures present a significant vulnerability. In traditional setups, security measures primarily focus on inbound and outbound traffic, leaving east-to-west traffic largely unprotected. This creates an open door for lateral movement of threats within the network, allowing attackers to maneuver undetected and escalate their activities. Furthermore, the scalability of security poses a formidable challenge in the cloud environment, as organizations scale their operation and adopt cloud-native architectures. Traditional security solutions struggle to keep pace. Static hardware-based security appliances become bottlenecks, hindering agility and inhibiting the seamless expansion of security measures to match the dynamic nature of cloud deployments. One of the foremost challenges stems from virtualization technology amplifying the traditional security domain. In the cloud environment, virtualization magnifies the complexity of security management, requiring organizations to navigate a labyrinth of virtual machines, containers, and microservices, all while maintaining robust defense against evolving threats. Moreover, virtualization technology blurs the lines of delineation, leading to a need to clear boundaries between disparate components within the cloud infrastructure. This ambiguity hampers efforts to establish and enforce consistent security policy, leaving gaps in defense that adversaries may exploit with impunity. Adding to the complexity is the invisibility that pervades the cloud environment. Unlike traditional on-premise setups, where physical hardware provides tangible touch points for security measures, the ephemeral nature of cloud resources renders them virtual indiscernible. This invisibility complicates efforts to monitor, track, and secure assets effectively. Another critical challenge lies in the nebulous division of security responsibilities between cloud service providers and their customers. While providers offers a robust security framework at that infrastructure level, customer bears the onus of securing their applications, data, and configurations. a task often fraught with uncertainty and complexity. Furthermore, the sheer magnitude of the maintenance workload associated with the cloud security pose a formidable obstacle. As organizations scale their cloud deployment to meet growing demands, the volume and complexity of security tasks escalate exponentially, straining resources and exacerbating operational overheads. Today, we confront significant challenges in the VMware licensing landscape, driven by broad scope strategy shift and their impact on customers. This changed the path from traditional license model and user in a new era characterized by subscription-based models and involving customer expectations. First and foremost, they must address the end of perpetual license. Under the new paradigm, customers can no longer procure perpetual license for VMware products. This represents a fundamental shift in how organizations acquire and manage their VMware solutions, requiring reevaluating long-standing procurement strategies. In place of perpetual license, Broadcom has pivoted towards subscription-based licensing models. This strategy move aims to accelerate revenue growth, with Broadcom setting its size of increasing revenue from $4.7 million to $8.5 billion within 3 years. While subscription-based models offer flexibility and scalability, they also present new considerations for customers regarding budgeting and cost management. Furthermore, customers with existing perpetual license face limitations regarding license portability and tradings. Under the new framework, these customers are unable to migrate or trade their perpetual license into the new subscription-based model, posing challenge for organizations seeking to align their licensing arrangements with evolving business needs. The implication extends beyond license channel to the availability of VMware products themselves. Products such as Cloud Foundation, vSphere, vSAN, NSX, HCX, and others are no longer available for sale under the new license regime. This reshaping of products offering underscores the evolving priorities and strategies within the VMware ecosystem. For customers who already purchased perpetual license, there is a critical consideration regarding ongoing support and updates. While existing perpetual license remain valid for current users, access for the support and updates will cease once their current contracts expire. This highlights the importance of strategic planning and forensic in navigating the transition to the new licensing paradigm. While NSX has long been synonymous with micro-segmentation, recent developments shed light on the knowns and challenges associated with this approach. It's often assumed that NSX is strictly necessary to implement micro-segmentation. However, this assumption warrants closer examination. The reality is that NSX is an all-encompassing solution, and customers must purchase the entire suite of NSX features, even if they only require micro-segmentation capabilities. This model approach can result in unnecessary expense for organizations seeking target security solutions. Moreover, the rigidity of NSX offering presents a dilemma for VMware customers. While some may require only micro-segmentation functionality, they must invest in the entire NSX suite, regardless of their specific needs. This lack of flexibility can pose challenge for organizations striving to optimize their investment and align their security solutions with their unique requirements. Recognizing these limitations, customers increasingly explore alternative micro-segmentation solutions that integrate seamlessly with VMware NSX. The goal is to find solutions that offer the necessary security features without the overhead and expense associated with NSX. This pursuit of cost-effective, tailored solution underscores the importance of choice and flexibility in meeting diverse security needs. Enterprises are seeking vendors that offer advanced security features without the dependency of NSX. While many vendors require NSX integration to provide enhancing security capabilities, Hillstone Network stands apart. Hillstone offers a comprehensive suite of security solutions that seamlessly integrate with VMware environment, delivering advanced security features without the need for NSX. Upon renewal, the question arises, is NSX alone sufficient to meet the organization's security needs? While NSX does provide essential security features such as intrusion prevention system, firewall policies, and more, it's critical to recognize that these features may not meet all security requirements. Fortunately, NSX can integrate with various vendors, including Hillstone networks, to enhance security capabilities and achieve higher protection. Another critical aspect to consider is the system requirements imposed by NSX. NSX demands significant system resource, specific CPU types, and RAID configuration, which can pose challenge for organizations, especially those with resource-constrained environment. In contrast, solutions like CloudHive from Hillstone Networks require fewer resources, potentially reducing cost and simplifying deployment. Furthermore, achieving a high level of security with NSX can be highly complex due to the considerable resources demanded by advanced threat protection, ATP, functionalities. Organizations may grapple with intricacies of ATP deployment, further complicating their security posture and adding to operational overhead. In terms of visibility, it's important to note that VMware focus may not be primarily on threat visibility. This lack of emphasis on threat visibility could leave organizations vulnerable to sophisticated cyber threats that evade detection. In contrast, solutions like those offered by Hillstone Networks prioritize threat visibility and detection, providing organizations with the insight needed to proactively defend against emerging threats. We are excited to introduce CloudHive, Hillstone micro-segmentation solution tailored specifically for virtualized data centers. With the rapid evolution of virtualization technologies and the increasingly complexity of modern data center architectures, CloudHive stands out as a distinctive and indispensable solution for enhancing security and optimizing performance. At the core of CloudHive is its distinctive approach to micro-segmentation, offering granular control over network traffic within virtualized data center environments. By dividing a network into smaller segments, CloudHive enables organizations to implement precise security policies and isolate workloads, effectively minimizing the attack surface and preventing lateral movement of threats. One of the key features of CloudHive is its robust protection of east-to-west traffic. Unlike traditional perimeter-based security measures, CloudHive focuses on securing internal communication within the data center, safeguarding against threats that traverse laterally between servers and applications. Furthermore, CloudHive provides comprehensive visibility into network traffic and security events, empowering organizations with actionable insights to detect and respond to potential threats proactively. With real-time monitoring and advanced analytics capability, CloudHive enables security teams to identify anomalies, investigate incidents, and enforce compliance policy effectively. CloudHive offers easy deployment and flexible scalability, allowing organizations to adapt to evolving business needs and dynamic workload requirements seamlessly. With their deployment in a small case environment or scaling to meet the demand of large enterprises, CloudHive provides the agility and versatility needed to succeed in today's rapidly changing landscape. In addition to its micro-segmentation capabilities, CloudHive delivers multifunctional layer 2 to layer cybersecurity, encompassing a comprehensive suite of security features to protect against a wide range of threats, from intrusion prevention system to application control and beyond. CloudHive offers a holistic security solution that addresses the diverse security challenges faced by modern data centers environment. No plugin or agent or VM. Other micro-segmentation solutions must install plugins, agents, or VMs. For CloudHive, this is unnecessary. With this, you will not suffer any change or disturbance in the deployment time. Also, you will save resources and, of course, money. 2. independent of VMware exit firewall. Support vMotion ensures automatic protection for moving VMs, dynamic session, synchronization, and unified policy configuration. 3. VMware VM monitoring. Monitoring your data center with that security posture is one of the most important here. Using CloudHive, you will be able to see not just the cybersecurity posture, but also the performance of the entire data center. And 4, traffic steering. The entire traffic steering process is fully transparent and performed on demand, and only the traffic of the protected virtual machines is steered. In today's cloud environment, not just the north to south traffic between users and servers pose a security risk, but also the east to west traffic between virtual machines that share the same data center and physical servers. This creates a challenge as a threat to one component or service can quickly spread to others, putting the entire cloud platform at risk. This is where Hillstone CloudHive micro-segmentation technology is coming. It's like giving each virtual machine its security bodyguard to protect them individually. This allows the cloud network to keep things separate and under control without changing the network settings. CloudHive can also detect and block any suspicious east-to-west connections within the data center so you can stop threats from spreading around. CloudHive excels in providing real-time visibility and control over various aspects of the virtualized environment, including VM topology, east-to-west traffic, applications, and inter-VM attacks. One of the features that sets CloudHive apart is its monitoring dashboard. As displayed in the left section on this slide, it shows you everything you need to know about the status of your servers, the traffic that's moving around, and any potential threats. You can see all the inbound and outbound traffic and which application use the most bandwidth. This is super useful because it lets you quickly identify any problems slowing down. Another handy feature of CloudHive is the Service Performance Monitor, SPM, functionality, displayed on the bottom right. These features monitors essential network and service performance metrics on selected network paths and service for east to west and traffic. Is there any negative performance trends, CloudHive can flag them and help you take early action to avoid service disruptions. Alternatively, it can pinpoint the source of performance issues among multi-tier services architectures, making it easier for you to address any problems. CloudHive is smart when it comes to scaling its security resources. It can automatically detect when and where it needs to ramp up security measures with the VMs as it's deployed, move or migrate across the virtual data center, so you never have to worry about the security gaps. CloudHive offers centralized management, enabling users to deploy and manage security measures uniformly via a single management interface. What makes CloudHive unique is its use of VM and software-based components. These components are designed to be flexible and scalable with minimizing any negative impact on performance. This means you get robust security without sacrificing speed or agility. CloudHive also supports vMotion, a technology for virtual machine migration. During migration, security policy and communication sessions associated with the VM are simply transferred along with it. This real-time migration of security ensures continuous protection without requiring manual intervention, maintaining security posture through the VM's movement. These capabilities make CloudHive a unique and effective solution for securing virtualized data centers, providing intelligent scalability, centralized management, optimized performance, and automated security migration during VM operations. Built on the Hillstone Security Foundation, Hillstone CloudHive provides comprehensive visibility and security to virtualized data centers. This multi-layer security defense architecture can identify advanced threats and attacks on time. CloudHive offers Layer 2 to Layer 7 security service, including firewall features such as a policy control and session limits, intrusion prevention system, URL filtering, antivirus, and attack defense. With fine-grained application control, with CloudHive customers can enjoy top-notch protection without sacrificing business continuity or performance. Also, we have to add here that we actually add a Cloud Sandbox. We are thrilled to highlight the unique differentiators of Hillstone CloudHive. Setting it apart as the premier choice for micro-segmentation solutions, CloudHive boasts many distinctive features that redefine network security and virtualized environment, ensuring unparalleled performance, scalability, and resilience. First and foremost, CloudHive introduced Hillstone proprietary traffic steering technique, revolutionizing how traffic is managed within virtualized data centers by leveraging private VLAN, PVLAN technology. CloudHive enables seamlessly traffic steering without impacting applications, VMs, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. Scalability and high availability are cornerstones of CloudHive architecture. With a fully distributed design, CloudHive provides unmatched scalability, allowing organizations to expand their deployments simply as their needs evolve. Additionally, CloudHive ensures secure, uninterrupted session sync of VMs during protected migrations, minimizing downtime and maximizing availability. CloudHive goes beyond traditional security solutions by offering comprehensive service performance monitoring capabilities. Through service change performance monitoring, CloudHive empowers organizations to monitor key performance metrics such as packet loss, latency, and jitter, enabling proactive optimization of network performance. At the heart of CloudHive security capabilities lie its robust Layer 2 to Layer 7 protection, rooted in Hillstone long-standing refinement of proprietary StoneOS technology from Address Resolution Protocol, ARP, protection to intrusion prevention system, IPS, antivirus, URL filtering, and application identification. CloudHive offers a comprehensive suite of security features to defend against a wide range of threats. In summary, Hillstone CloudHive stands out as a game changer in the realm of micro-segmentation solutions, offering unparalleled traffic steering capabilities, scalability, and high availability, along with advanced service performance monitoring and comprehensive Layer 2 to Layer 7 protection. With CloudHive, organizations can confidently navigate the complexities and virtualized environment while ensuring robust security and optimal performance. This is one of the case studies that we are going to give you some detail about the Hillstone network solution. In this case, we have two different areas that need protection, not just using perimeter firewall, but also for east to west traffic. One important thing here is controlling and protecting the application layer using security features. The deployment was done in the two areas of data centers, providing control and protection, and most importantly, business segmentation. Hillstone CloudHive employs micro-segmentation for the entire hospital, providing them with a secure cloud platform able to pass any compliance level. The second case study about our solution, the details are like two redundant firewalls deployed at the data center edge with redundant power supplies and service monitoring for high availability. Also, the system effectively prevents network attacks, including flood, scanning, deception, malformed message attack, etc. Comprehensive application layer security protection with deep application identification and regular updates of attack signature database. Hillstone CloudHive employs micro-segmentation and a cloud orchestration API to quickly detect and eliminate security threats like malware and data breach, preventing them from spreading to other virtual machines. As we wrap up our discussion today, I would like to extend a special invitation to each of you. Please visit our official website if you are eager to delve deeper into micro-segmentation and explore real-world application insights from industry analysts and expert perspective. Here, you will find a treasure trove of resources, including multiple case studies, in-depth analysis from top industry analysts, and white papers with valuable insights. Whether you are a seasoned professional seeking to enhance your expertise or someone new to the concept and eager to learn more, our website offers a wealth of knowledge to fuel your curiosity and drive your success. So, why wait? Please, take the next step towards mastering micro-segmentation by visiting our official website today. Dive into our case studies, explore the latest insights from analysts, and uncover the secrets to unlocking the full potential of micro-segmentation in your organization. Okay, let's check the Q&A. It looks like we have a few questions come up, so let's see if we can answer some questions first. Okay, here is one. How difficult is it to implement CloudHive in one virtual environment? In my case, I am using VMware. Okay, actually, the deployment is rapid and let's say easy for CloudHive, and especially for VMware environments. It could take like 2 to 4 hours or even less than 2 hours. You have, especially if you have like, some expertise, or if you are with a pre-sales, for example, or someone, who are already installed CloudHive in the past. The tricky part here is not just deployment. It is more the tuning part, because you need to understand the situation for every single VM and the connections that you have in your environment. That maybe after that, okay, you are going to complete the implementation of CloudHive, but the deployment is very easy and very quick. Okay, second question here. Okay, why should I choose CloudHive over other solutions in the market? Okay, that is a very good, a good and a smart question. And let me explain why Hillstone thinks we are the best solution if you want to secure your virtual environment. First, our solution can achieve unparalleled live traffic visibility. That means that you can see everything that each VM is doing on your site. The second point that we can say is, of course, we can reduce attack surface to nearly zero. Or in other words, we transfer your environment to a zero trust environment. That is the goal of micro-segmentation. Like a third point, we can say that without too many effort, we can scale security through active orchestration using your new resources, you mentioned, for example, VMware, but we can adapt also with other cloud orchestration. Okay, actually, we can do on VMware, and also we can do with Fusion. Okay. Of course, the other part, I can say that you are going to reduce the cost, not just implementing, also in the renewal. And I think, and finally, if you are using our platform, you can check, of course, the service performance in real time of your entire data center. I mean, the VMs and of course the physical servers. Okay, we can read the final question. A final question. The other we will reply via email. Don't worry. Okay, we are noticing that we have more than this. Okay, using VMware, my company now this have big issue about renewal of license, because they change everything for partners and customers. What about you? What about Hillstone? Okay. Actually, we have to say that we have changed our model of licensing for some products. I mean, we did some change. But when we did some change, we always thinking about benefits for our partners and customers. So I can understand what is your point, but the history says that we didn't change. And if something will change, we will let you know with some time because we have policy to do that. And they always, I mean, when we change something, I think always, because I will say the most of the time, but no, it's always could be better for you. Okay, could be better for the partners and for the customers. Okay, so thank you very much for your time and your questions, of course. This has been a great session on Hillstone capabilities. I would like to remind you or offer you the opportunity to follow Hillstone on LinkedIn. You can take out your mobile phone and scan this QR code, and you will be taken directly to the Hillstone LinkedIn page, where you can subscribe and follow the page for product updates, news, and other features. Please connect on Hillstone LinkedIn, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.